Hello Internet, and welcome to this tutorial series on Shopify Hydrogen SEO. And the goal of today's video is to teach you how to consolidate your link juice. What do I mean by link juice? Alright, before looking at that, to find the answer to that question, let's have a look at these two pages, right? Are they the same? Well, you tell me yes, they're the same page. Well, they are not. And the reason is because of this little guy here, the trailing slash. Okay, this one has one and this other page does not. And from search engine's point of view, these are two separate pages. Okay, they are not the same pages as far as search engines are concerned, and they shouldn't be the same for you too. Okay, because if you want to rank, you want all the backlinks, everything pointing to your website to be consolidated into a single specific page. Okay, so if let's say a link or a publication like Forbes or New York Times talks about your project, or about your store or a particular product on your store and links to this, and another publication links to this, well, you're basically splitting the link juice into two separate pages, when in reality they should be consolidated into one, because they are in reality the same page. So the goal of this video is to quickly show you how to make sure that whenever someone visits a page with a trailing slash, because you need to choose a policy. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the links with the trailing slash or without? I think most of the time you want them without. So anytime someone visits a page with that has a trailing slash at the end, you want to redirect them to a page like this without. Okay, so that all your SEO juice is consolidated in a single page. And this applies. This video is specifically for the trailing slash, but this applies similarly for, let's say, capitalization, right? So you want, if someone visits a page with men like this, I think this is already done, you want that to be redirected to a page without the capitalization. So this is a quick one. If we jump back to our VS Visual Studio, all we need to do in order to make that work, we're going to add a utility function here. Okay, going to add a utility function. Let me see where's the best place to create that. I'm gonna add it here. Okay, I'm gonna add a utility folder here, utils. Okay, and I'm gonna create a function, a method inside, or a module inside, remove trailing slash dot dx. Okay, and inside I'm gonna define a function. Yeah, export function remove trailing slash. Okay, and I'm going to take the URL as input, because we're going to examine the URL that is being passed in, and if the URL contains the path name to the URL ends with the trailing slash, okay, and okay, the URL path name, because we don't want to do that obviously for the home page, right, is different. All right, what we want to do is to throw a redirection. We want to throw a redirect. Okay, redirect to let me see, let me I have the code here, cons URL pass URL. Copy that. You don't want to see me typing all that. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this here in my notes, and then you want to redirect to the pass URL. All right, and that's pretty much it. And then this function, now what we want to do is to use this function in our root.txt, in the loader of our routes.txt, and every time we visit a page, okay, we want to add the request here as well. This is in our root route. Every time we visit, the first thing before doing anything in there is to just call that function, and if there is a trailing slash, you're going to be redirected accordingly. Okay, so I'm going to do request new URL request dot URL. All right, I think this should work. All right, so let's test this. Okay, If I visit the page again with the trailing slash, let's see what happens. You see, we are redirected on the page without the trailing slash. And that's how you accomplish link juice consolidation on your Shopify Hydrogen storefront. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you need any help of any kind with your Shopify Hydrogen storefront or any Shopify apps that integration that you need built, visit liftedcommerce.com and send us a message, and we'll be very, very delighted to help. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.